Srushti Yadav. Here I am presenting RC triggering of SCR. First, this is the basic circuit diagram of RC triggering of SCR. In RC triggering, we connect resistance and capacitance, and when you connect resistor and capacitance, capacitor will get charge via resistor. This is the supply voltage of RC triggering of SCR. Whenever capacitor is getting discharged with via resistor, multiplication of resistor and capacitor is time constant of changing of capacitor, and same thing that will happen in discharging. Let's see, as if capacitor is getting discharged via resistor R, then the discharging time constant that is depending on multiplication of resistor and capacitance. So this is the basic thing of RC triggering of SCR. Of RC triggering of SCR. First, in RC triggering of SCR, we take resistor and capacitor elements to trigger SCR. Second, value of resistor and capacitor is very important to define firing angle of SCR. There are two types of RC triggering of SCR. First is half wave RC triggering of SCR. Second is full wave RC triggering of SCR. Working of RC triggering of SCR. By RC triggering, we can trigger SCR with firing angle ranges from 0 to 180. I talk about working of RC triggering of SCR, that is purely based on the resistor and capacitance value and firing angle that will range from 0 to 180. Second, and we can change firing angle by changing the value of resistor, and that I explain you in circuit, so it will be more clear. Wave RC triggering of SCR circuit. Now you can see the circuit which is RC triggering of SCR. For half wave, here we providing sinusoidal source, and here we have load. From load we will taking output, and over here we have SCR to trigger SCR. This is the RC circuit, and this diode D1 and D2 both are connected for biasing purpose. Now I explain you how their circuit function. So in working, first we need to see negative half cycle. This terminal will be positive with this negative terminal. So here this capacitor will get charge, while diode D2 and polarity with voltage across capacitor, that will be plus minus like this, and as this polarity plus minus like this, the SCR will having positive voltage at this gate, and negative voltage cannot pass through this diode. SCR will remain off. So during positive half cycle, this capacitor that will start to charge this direction as this terminal with respect to this terminal. So this capacitor will get charged in this load, and because of polarity, charging is there across resistance R in this loop. Let's try to understand that by waveform will be more clear. This is the basic circuit, and now you can see sinusoidal wave that we are giving now during negative half cycle. This terminal is negative and this terminal is positive, and that this is the capacitor is getting charged during negative half cycle, and it is acquire VC voltage, and that VC voltage will be almost minus Vm over here. And now we can see for high value of resistor, when this SCR is getting trigger voltage across load will appear, voltage across resistor will be 0. So during this instance only that will be voltage appear at output side. So this will be firing angle alpha. This is voltage of output across SCR. You can see that. So this is the voltage across SCR. Now as show you, change the resistor value. If you decrease the value of resistor, changing of capacitor timing will get decreased. So now you can see for low value of resistor, uh, charging of capacitor timing will get decreased. So now you can see over here, at this instant only capacitance and voltage is triggering. SCR now output voltage that will be this, and voltage across SCR that will be this. We can change value of alpha. Full wave RC triggering of SCR, you can see sinusoidal waves are there. This is the bridge connection of diode. So over here we'll be having only positive half cycles. Negative half cycles are converted into positive half cycle. So here only positive half cycles are there. In RC triggering we don't need a diode connection. So in full wave RC triggering of SCR, we don't need diode for biasing. So RC is connected. With gate like this. The RC is connected with gate like this. The SCR will trigger when capacitor is gaining some fixed voltage. It is gate terminal. So let us try to understand that by waveform will be more clear. So this is sinusoidal waveform that is getting converted into full wave. You can see like this. See capacitor now that will get started to charge, and you can see charging like this, and its return value of gate voltage, this SCR is getting turned on, and this capacitor will discharge like this, and it will be having zero voltage. Over here capacitor is giving to triggering SCR. So as capacitor is giving to triggering SCR, as this instance we will finding voltage across output will appear. The rest of this voltage that will appear across SCR, you can see like this. If you decrease the value of resistor, charging for capacitance is less. Now triggering is appearing at this instant. Output voltage that is this, and the rest of voltage appear across thyristor. So value of RC triggering is utilized to trigger SCR firing angle range between 0 to 180 degree. About RC triggering of SCR. Thank you.